Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to run the disk cleanup tool in Windows 10. Disk cleanup is a built-in tool that will allow you to free up some storage space on your drive. If you want to know 10 easy ways to speed up your PC, then click on the card now to watch a video of mine after this showing you those methods. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips if the video helps. Let's get into the video. To run disk cleanup, we need to go to the disk cleanup window. The easiest way to get there is to search for it in the search bar. You should only need to type in disk clean to see the option. Click on it to open it. In the new window, you will see the list of all the categories that you can delete, and you need to check the box next to them if you want them to be deleted when you run the tool. When you click on each of the options, there will be a description of what it means. Before deleting anything, please double check, as I don't want you to delete anything you want to keep. If you are unsure about an option, research more about what it contains. When you are happy with your selection, you will see how much space it will free up next to where it says total amount of disk space you gain. And you can click on OK and then delete files to complete the process. It shouldn't take too long, but just leave the window open until it closes automatically. And so that is how to use and run disk cleanup in Windows 10 to free up space on your drive. I really hope I was able to help you today. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helped. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.